previous session, we discussed about the select statement, and now we are going to discuss about group by statement in SQL Server. So how it works? So basically, whenever we need group wise information, for example, let's say we have a requirement that we want to find the number of employees in each job role in employee table, then we will be using group by statement. So how it works? The group by statement groups rows that have the same values into summary row, like find the number of customers in each country. Okay, so the group by statement is often used with aggregate functions like count, max, min, sum, average. These are the aggregate functions available in SQL to group the result set by one or more column. And this is the syntax. Here what we write, we select the column names, then we select the table name. From table name, then we write our where condition if required, and then we write our group by and order by. Now we will see this example. Find the number of employees in each job roles in employee. So as we have discussed, we will be selecting, we will be following this syntax. We will write select column names. Let's say we have employee table. Let me show you how this employee table looks like. So this is your employee table. We need to get the each job roles, count of each job roles, right? Find the number of employees means count of each jobs. So what I will do, I will be writing job and then count of, you can put a star, or if you want, you can put job, anything will count of this job, and this will be called as total employees. I am going to alias this field total employees, like, and then I will be writing group by job. When you will execute this, I don't need any where clause. I don't need. That's why I have not used where condition here. I don't need order by at this point of time, so I'm not going to use it. You can see like analyst, we have two analysts in the table, four clerks in the table, three managers in the table, one president in the table, and four salesmen in this table. Similarly, you can add more example. Let's say I want to see distribution distribution of salary in each job roles, each job role. So this way we can write, as we have already discussed, we can use these aggregate functions count, max, min, sum, average. We are going to use it. When you will execute, it will give you total salary, distribution of salary against each job role. So this is very easy to use. You can also use, let's say I don't want to see the salary of those groups where we have sum of salary is 6,000, even more than that. I don't want to see those salary distribution where we have above than 6,000 salary distribution. So what you will do, you will be using having clause. So we don't use where clause, we use having clause on group of information. So you will be writing having sum of salary greater than 6,000. When you will execute, it is showing only manager is the job category where we have salary above than 6,000. If you want to verify your data, you can check your previous statement. So you can see everything is lesser than 6,000. In analyst is 6,000, but manager is above than 6,000. If I will put equal to, I will get two inputs. See, we are getting two inputs, analyst is also and manager. So this way you can use having clause. If you want to exclude the clerk, you can use exclude. I mean, you want job is not equal to clerk. So what will happen? It will not include clerks. It will work on other, and we can also use order by salary. We have used it here. You can see we have already excluded clerk job role, and we are grouping it by the job and order by salary. So this way you can generate the record. So these are the examples that we have discussed. Other than this, if we need, we can use roll up. So let's say we have process. First we want to generate the generate the information based on the process, then we want to generate the information about the job, and what kind of information will be there. So it will be sum of salary against each employee. So when you will execute group by roll up, it will be giving you the information like information technology. In information technology process, we have analyst, their salary contribution is 6,000. And if you will go by technical, so their salary contribution is 1300. If you will go by the salesman, so only information technologies having salesman, with they are sharing 5,600. So this way you can use group by roll up. If you have multiple columns, you can add more columns here. And what is this null? So basically this is giving you a total of information technology, total contribution of salary for information technology, and this is for technical pro, and this is your total salary contribution. This is your grand total. You can say this is your subtotal, this is your subtotal, and this is your grand total. So that's how you can use group by roll up. And now in the next session, we will see about other DML statements in SQL Server.